Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today is Dollar General 5 off of 25 Saturday. Yes, 5 off of 25 Saturday. So y'all, all this week I have been bringing you all these videos. I need for you all, when y'all going out here doing these 5 off of 25s, just look at my other videos so you can get some good savings, a low out of pocket. Try to get a low out of pocket. It's some deals out here this week. Yep, some good old deals out here this week. Also, I was going to go and do the game deal, but I decided to wait because something's telling me that there's going to be some more good coupons coming for the 5 off of 30. And y'all know that 5 off of 30, honey, you got to try to get it over 30. You can do it, but the thing of it is having some good coupons to make it a low out of pocket. That's the worst thing, trying to get some good, coupons to make it a low out of pocket. I'm going to, like I said, I was going to go do it, but then I decided not to. So, I mean, I do have some good coupons on my car, on my numbers, but something just saying don't use them yet. Okay. So we did get that 5 off of 30 for gain only, but I wish they would just give us the 5 off of 20, but it is what it is. So let's go ahead and get to my deal that I'm bringing you all today. All right. So the first thing I got was this Colgate toothbrush. It is $3.35. And there is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. And it is for it's soft and Colgate, and it says Max White. So you always want to scan in the store so you can see what price and what coupon that is attaching. Also, there's another thing that I have stopped doing on my when I get all my digital coupons on Sunday. I used to clip them all, but I've stopped clipping those all. I only clip the ones that I'm thinking that will be a good fit and a good price for, taking them off. Because if I clip the one that's $1 and then the next week I get a $2 or a $3 one, I'm stuck with, because the dollar comes out first. So someone tell me down in the comments if they stop clipping all their coupons and only clip the ones they're thinking that is going to be a high, coupon high out of pocket. Well, not high out of pocket, but a coupon that will help you make it a low out of pocket. All right. Let me know in the comments. So the next thing I got was the Oral-B Bright and Clean. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching, making this free because this is $1. All right. So I did go and try to get all of just the dollar ones and the low out of pockets first. The next thing is this Scope Classic mouthwash. It is in the trial size. It is $1, and we got a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. So they did not take this one away from us. So it did attach, and it is free. All right. So then the next thing we got was the Colgate Max Fresh. You want to scan them all, because I tried to scan the other Max Fresh Colgate. They was not attaching. So this charcoal is attaching. It is $2.95. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. Then the next thing I got was the Airwick. This coupon is expiring today if you haven't already used it. This Airwick warmer is $2.25. There is a $1.50 off digital coupon that is attaching. All right. So then the next thing I got was these Vaseline lotions. Okay. I got 4 because on this number that I have, which is my daughter's number, I had a $1.50 off of one, $2 off of one, and $3.50 off of two. So I said, I know all of those will come off because I'm going to purchase 4. But also, they are $4 a piece. And there is still a deal that is, if you spend $8 or more, you get $2 off. So I'm spending more than $8. So I'm spending $16. So I get additional $4 off, and I get my digital coupons that's coming off. So what I did was I went ahead and purchased all, and they did all come off, and my additional $4 did come off. So also, when you are dealing with a 5 off of 25 and you have savings, you have to get your subtotal way over $25. So I always like to go up to $30 because it gives it just gives my chance of my savings coming off. And just in case if I had a savings and I didn't know, that would come off too. And then my 5 off of 25 would come off because it would drop it to either $25 or a little bit more. So then the last thing I got was the Ajax. Yes, y'all, I told y'all this week I was trying to get all of these Ajax because this is a good deal for these Ajax because they have went up in price. They are, this is the 52 ounce on these Ajax. They are $4.25. You could either get the Ajax with this 52 ounce or you can get the Palmolive, which is like 3 or a little bit more than 3. But the coupon is only taken off the price of the item. So I wanted to get just the Ajax. So this, when I'm dealing with the 5 off of 25s, I always want to get the price of, the little higher price. So I have to worry about putting a whole lot of stuff within my transaction. Trying to get things in within my transaction. So $4.25 did come off. Then once she rung up everything, my 5 off of 25 came off, and I was so happy. All my savings came off of the Vaseline. I was happy all my digital coupons came off. And my subtotal, y'all, was $7.30. Yes, $7.30. So let me show you my receipt. So there's the Ajax. There's the Vaseline. There's the Colgate. There's the Airwick. The Vaseline again. My other Colgate Max Fresh. The Crest. The Oral-B. All my digital coupons came off. My savings came off. And then my subtotal was $7.30. You know, everybody's taxes is different. And look how much I saved. $27.75 was my total savings, which was so great. And then I got a 5 off of 25 for Saturday, which I keep those on hand because you never know what Dollar General is going to do on a Saturday morning. We don't want that other, like the other Saturday morning that happened when we was trying to do what we needed to do. But I always keep now one in my car and one in my binder. So this right here is my Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25 Saturday. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nanda's Joy.